Welcome to the UL training for retail assessments. We'll begin with selecting the retail assessment from our UL dashboard. We can start by picking a new assessment entry, and this will be an employee assessment. And you're going to select your appropriate employee RSR that you'll be assessing. And we'll go into the assessment. You'll begin with the date that the assessment occurred. And under assessment style, we will be choosing the retail delivery. Okay, and you're going to fill it in as follows. Each line will receive a score. And you can put your notes at the bottom. To print this out for the in-store assessment, the print button is selected up here. I'm going to show file and then click on the link in the box to the right. And then we're just going to click here. And you can go ahead and print right from this page. And now you'll have your printed copy for your in-field assessment. For a traditional retail assessment, we're going to make sure that Chris greets the receiver and lets him know that he's going to be checking to see what they need for their delivery today. While we do not need to make a pre-inventory entry into the handheld, Chris is going to make a note of what product they do need today. Returning with the product, Chris is going to let the receiver know exactly how much is being delivered today. And now Chris can start merchandising. Again, we're going to be sure to rotate our product. At this point, he can remove all empties that he'll be taking back with him. Any product that's on the rack needs to be oldest towards the front and towards the top of the rack. Any new bottles that he's delivering today will be put on the bottom and towards the rear. Now that Chris has collected all of the empty bottles, this is his chance to dust and make sure that the rack is presentable. While he's doing this, he can also check for the pricing to make sure that it's visible and up to date. Finally, as he's continuing to dust, he can check for all POS, making sure that any labeling is visible and not damaged. Now that Chris has completed his delivery and cleaned all of the product, you can get back with the receiver, print out a receipt, and complete the delivery for today. This was a successful delivery done by Chris. At the end of the day, I'll have the opportunity to speak with him and go over this assessment. We'll cover any gaps or any opportunities that he may have had.